So where should to send? Let him keep in the Paramapadam. Because there is one-way traffic, it's only one going. No coming back is provided there. So if we kick him, he should fall in the Paramapadam, so he will not come back. But there will be a lot of security check, right? How this guy goes through? That's why Krishna avoided everything. Through security check means there are so many doors and he has to go. So Krishna did not allow him to go through the security process and immigration process as it is officially organized. So he just kicked him, and then he, from the compound wall, he fell in the Paramapadam. Right away. So no other processes, Yeah, maybe. So you have to imagine the beautiful form that accepted even the worst of the sinners like Sisupala with the divine qualities, and joined with the Sri. The Charana, when you think, then you can imagine all these things. And how are you approaching him? How are you approaching him? As your means, not as your goal. I told you in the morning, right? Approaching God has two ways. As our goal, as our means. Now, are you accepting him as your goal or means? Don't accept him here as your goal. When you think that he is the goal, that means you try to adopt some other means to reach him, which is wrong again. He never accepts other means to reach him. He only becomes the means for us. Accept him as the means, then no other means will peep into and divert your attention and saying that, I took the means and I reached him. So when you say that there are some other means to reach him, that means then you always offer to accept that as the means, and then because I accepted this means, I was saved. Then his grace becomes a casual one, but it is causeless mercy. There is no cause for his mercy at all on us at any time, at any moment. So he should only become the means. The example is a mother to a baby, when the baby in the cradle. A baby in the cradle, when wants to reach the mother, who will take the baby? Does she come down and then go to the mother? No. Mother only should come. Mother only takes the baby. Right? That means mother became the means for the baby to reach the laps. But what is the ultimate goal again to the baby? To be with the mother only. That means goal and means became the same. But if at all the baby thought that, come on, let me hold this toy and reach the mother, or let me hold the chain and reach the mother, and if the baby starts putting her own efforts, mother keeps quiet and she does his home activities or whatever activities she wanted to do, because the baby is putting some efforts. Okay, let the baby put. She adopted some other means than the mother, then mother becomes passive. So you should not make God become passive from you. So let him be the means. To say that we are accepting you as the means, we are using a word like Saranam. Srimanarayana Charanam. Saranam means I am accepting as Upayam. What a kind of Upayam it is? Ishtapraptikam, Anishta Nivaranattakam, Tappada Upayamada. Ishtaprapti is whatever is your desire to fulfill, and whatever you don't want to remove. To remove the hurdles and to fulfill your desires. If both are done, I think that is the right protection, right? And that becomes the right means also, which will allow you to be free from the hurdles and takes you to the goal appropriately and without any pain, without any problems. Ultimately it says prapyandane prapakam ingiradu. That means means and goals for us are not different things. But how you think, when, what, that all it means. Kirchonna Moonrum Prapyamire. Actually they discussed about three things: Lakshmi, Narayana and their lotus feet. In fact, these three are the things which we want to serve for. No, we want to do our service only to Mahalakshmi, to the Narayana and to their lotus feet only we want to serve. So these three are actually our prapyams, that means goals. But now we are telling that they are our prapakams, that means means. So means and goals are not different actually for us. But now we don't want to put our own efforts, so we put them in the place of efforts. Means. That's what it is said. Kirchana Moonam Prapyamire. But then why you are making them as means? Even Sayal Arudiyale Upayam Akuhiran Ittanai. Because there is no other means for me, and I don't want any other means to peep in and disturb them. So we are making them as my means. Here, Charanau Saranam Engayale Upayantara Vyavrittamana Upayam Engiradu. Our Upayam, that means our means, is a unique means than other means. What is our means? Feet. Lotus feet. Lotus feet themselves are our means. Other means are different in the world. You have to put some effort there. Or somebody has to put some other effort. Then only they become full, right? If you have a car as a means to reach some place, and again you have to depend upon some engine, and you have to depend upon the fuel, and again you have to follow so many rules and certain, times and other things like that. For any means, there will be certain protocol. But here, I think it is them only as the means. So this means is not them, the Charanav, the feet. So this is a unique upayam for us. Upayantara Vyavrittamana, which avoided other means and became means for us, which is really a goal, and now that itself became a means. That means it never expects you to go somewhere, get some qualification and adopt something and come to me, then I will see. Nothing. That itself comes down to you, becomes a means for you and takes you to that level and gives you everything that you need. See how beautiful it is? Then the last word in the first sentence is prapadye. What is prapadye? I am accepting. I am surrendering. I am catching hold of the lotus feet. Pattukonuchunnanu, Asrayistunnanu. That is what is prapadye. In present tense, the word is used. Aithe, what is the catching hold of that? When you say that I am holding it, how do you hold it? How do you hold something? With the hands you hold, with the word also you hold, and with your heart also you hold. When you are holding with the hands, it is called kayika vritti, physical activity. When you utter a word and hold it, it is vachika vritti. But when you really think with your heart, that is manasa vritti. So here, what kind of surrenderance, what kind of means you are accepting here? That's what he says. Vachikamahum, kayikamahum patyanalum pettikki ravillai. Even you surrender physically, or you surrender verbally, or you surrender mentally, all the three, or each individually, is still fine. You can get the fruit. Yet, jnanan moksham ahayale manasamaha kadavadu. The Shastram talks about The release from the karmic bondage happens only through the knowledge, not just by actions and by words. If there is a change in the knowledge, because we caught up with this nature, or we were hooked to these egotistic mentalities. The corruption started here, not in the hands, not in the legs, and not in the stomach. The corruption started in the thought process itself. So where from the change also should start? In the thought process. So the thought process starts from the heart. It should come from the heart only. So the moksham comes because the bandhanam came from the thought. Moksham also should come from the thought. So all the shastras, all the scriptures, all the acharyas give priority to change the thought process, basically. It should start from here. That's why it is said, jnanan moksham. The release comes by thought only. Because that your surrenderance, your accepting God's lotus feet also should happen with your heart only. Because you may hold it physically. How long can you hold, tell me? For a few hours. And when you are hungry, you leave it and then go for food again. And you may catch verbally also. You may start saying, Narayan Charano, Narayan Charano, Narayan Charano, Narayan Charano. And when you are tired, when you are dehydrated, and automatically that stops. You need not stop it. That gets automatically stopped. So, holding verbally or physically has so many constraints and limits. But that's not really expected here. What expected is the mental surrenderance. The wonder is, once you are convinced mentally that this is something to be done, automatically other things are done. But when you are convinced mentally that it is something to be done, you put 1,000 things, it will never work. Right? When you are not actually mentally convinced, how can you may be saying verbally, as people sing some songs, though they are not interested in singing, but because somebody has to pay him, so he sings. There are people in Bombay. I don't know whether they are in other places. Nowadays I think they are spreading as a different business organizations. The name of the organization is Cry. They cry for you. Suppose some relative died. You feel shy to cry. But without crying it doesn't look nice. So you appoint some people and you allot some time for them and you pay for that. You have to cry for 1 hour, 9 to 10. So because you have to send the body at 10 o'clock, so from 9 to 10 you want them to cry. So they come at 9 a.m. and then they start crying. It became like this. You are like that. Ayo. They literally cry. Yeah. You know what happened once? They appointed a people for 1 hour and they started crying. The crying people appointed to show people that these people have so much love toward the person who departed. Not really they are having any affection. Because the people should feel that, oh my God, how much affection they have towards that. They were waiting for a VIP to come and garland the corpse. And the person said, I'll be there at 9:45. So they appointed these people from 9 to 10. They came and started crying. But the person did not show up, till 10 o'clock. And they were in dilemma now. But suddenly he called before 1 minute. Before just they were about to send the body, and then he called, oh, I stuck up in the traffic. It was heavily just bumper to bumper, so I could not come. I am there within 5 minutes. So the people said, Mr. Christ, you please cry for 15 minutes more. If at all, there may be a bit late, still it can be covered. So please cry for 15 minutes more. They said, we are so sorry. We have another appointment there.